Hey friends, in this tutorial I will show you guys how to round numbers or how to round numerical values. So let's get started. So for this tutorial I will be using Python 3. So let's get that started. What's happening in here? So Python 3. Now let's create a variable. I'm naming it x, and for this let's type this value 123.456789. So if I enter x, you can see that I can see this up to 6 decimal places in here. So let's say I want to see only up to 2 decimal places, only 45. For this, what we have to do is that we have to use this round function. The first parameter it takes is the name of the variable. After that, what we can do is we can enter the number that will represent the number of decimal places up to which we want to see it. So 2 in here I typed, so you can see that it shows me only up to 2 decimal places. If I do a 3, you can see that it shows me up to 3 decimal places. One other thing, guys, you don't have to enter in the name of the variable. You can also put this directly in here. So you can see that this is exactly the same as this. You can put a number directly or you can put a variable name. Doesn't matter. Now, what else can you do with this round function? Now, let's say you want to round a integer value, not a number with decimal places. So for this, again, let's create this variable x and say this is equal to 45, 65, 32. Now you can see that now I see exactly the number that I typed. However, I want to round it. Let's say I want to round it to 1 decimal place. So what I want to do is that I want to round this 2 in here. Now if I press enter, you can see that this 2 has been changed to 0. Let's say I want to round it up to 3 decimal or 3 integer places. Now notice in here that it has been rounded the last 3 integers in here. So this is how you can round numbers, whether they're decimal numbers or whether they're integers. Doesn't matter whether they have decimal places in them or whether they're just numbers without any points or decimal places. You can use the round function to round them off. And this is it for this tutorial, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, or recommendations, feel free to put it in the comment section below. And if you found this tutorial useful, make sure to share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one.